Hi everyone, my name is Chef Tan. Welcome to the World Food Studio. Today I stay in a beautiful organic chili farm and I would like to introduce for you amazing dishes with chili. They call barbecue pork with chilies. And how we make it a barbecue pork with chili, we will figure out right now here. What ingredient we have here? We got some beautiful sliced pork belly. We got some lamb wrap, ginger, chili, garlic, some chili sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce, and some Annatto Seeds Oil with some fried spice. So what I have right now here, I will marinate them right now here with 2 teaspoons of lamb wrap, 2 teaspoons of ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of chili, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of chili sauce, a tablespoon of fish sauce, a tablespoon of sugar, and I mix well together with a big pinches of fried spice and big pinches of black pepper. Nicely together. Look awesome here now. Okay, and marinate them for about 30 minutes. Before that, after 30 minutes right now here, I will add 1 tablespoon of Annatto Seeds Oil here. 1 more tablespoon of Annatto Seeds Oil here. And mix well together. Oh, looks so yummy here. Now we barbecue on the charcoal. The charcoal right now here, we poke nicely on the charcoal. Nicely there. Smelling of the chili. Good. And put on oil, whatever, on top. Ooh, look at this. Okay, now we turn the chili on another side now. Looks so nice. Okay, I turn the pork in another side now. And I got a beautiful 1 piece of pork done now. Leave it there. Second one. Our barbecue pork looks so nice now. Almost done now. Turn over one more side. Look at this. Oh, so yummy. I'm hungry now. Smelling so good. Beautiful. Just take another 10 more seconds. It's done. That's perfect. Excellent. Well done here. Okay, now you can see you got a beautiful place with pork here. I will garnishing with a little bit, some sliced beautiful chili here, and some knife of spearmint on the top. We got a beautiful place, barbecue pork with chilies. Enjoy your time. Thank you very much.